In terms of problem-solving site issues, I guess we look at it from a simulation or an emulation perspective. So simulation is regularly used to simulate all sorts of scenarios. It could be throughput scenarios, utilization. We're looking for bottlenecks, potential issues in a site. So simulation generally comes before the emulation activities. In terms of emulation, a couple of key examples would be you can create an emulation model of an existing site, so let's say a brownfield site, or you can do it for a greenfield site. One of the benefits of a brownfield site is you can take the as-is site, you can then test the control logic, prove that you have an accurate model based on historical data. You can compare daily production from the physical site to the virtual site in Emulate3D, and then you can test potential control logic updates or control scenarios that you might want to run on the physical site. Doing that virtually, you're able to test all sorts of scenarios which may be quite difficult or time-consuming to test on an actual site. You can do that virtually so that you can test scenarios that are quite difficult to test in the physical world. You can test for scenarios that can be quite time-consuming to set up, and you can do all of this away from an operational site without disrupting your day-to-day operations.